Hi, today I'm going to go over how to use the notes that you've been taking from me. You might have been taking notes from me. So, these sections are broken into these notes are broken into sections, data type, else if, arrays, and so on. Um, so the reason why they're broken into section isn't to learn them more efficient is to learn them more efficiently because there's a lot of memorization when it comes to coding, and sometimes you might forget how to code something, and then you might search through a ton of videos to relearn how to code. And I figured out that that wasn't a good idea a long time ago. So I've broken my codes down into sections instead of notes into sections and codes into sections. So I can read from them. I can look at them whenever I forget about, let's say, arrays or tuples. Let's say if I forget about arrays, I will uncomment the section and I'll debug the program. And then I'll look at the console and I'll also look at the notes. And then I'll check to see how an array, how you get the value of array and how to use it and how to set the value of the arrays and list. And then I'll just look at the code and get an idea of how an array or a list is used. And then I'll look at the console to see what gets displays. And I use console.writeLine. And so it'll give me an idea of how an array or a list is used. So this way I don't have to go through the video. I'll search through the videos. And these are the notes that you've been taking. You don't have to copy me exactly. Um, you can write down your own notes, but I recommend making your notes as small as possible so it'll be readable. And at the same time, there's console.writeLine. If you want to if you want to if you just want to read your notes through the console, you can do console.writeLine and press F5 or debug, and then you can read your notes from the console when you uncomment the section of the um, of the program that you want to study from. And the console.writeLine is going to show your notes inside of the console, which is here. And the reason I'm telling you this is because I find it to be useful when I don't want to when my notes gets a little long and I don't want to look at my notes. I want to look at my notes inside of the console. Uh, I will write down console.writeLine and then my notes, and I find it to be a lot more organized. But for this, I'm not going to write our notes in console.writeLine. I'm going to write them inside of a comment or a multi-line comment. And after you're done with checking on the section that you forgot about, you can you can comment it by selecting the codes under the section and then pressing Alt Q, and then that's it. Um, that's all you have to do in order to learn, in order to relearn what you've forgot, and you don't have to go through the videos, which might take you probably 4 to 5 minutes each time you forget about something, which is going to take you a long time to learn. And and this when you start out in a programming class and you don't know anything about coding, um, this is what I would do for when I read a textbook, um, because um, because um, because because um, it's more for me. It's more readable than writing it on paper, and it also sh- dis- displays a console for you to get an idea of what's happening. So I've been studying I've been studying using the IDE, and it's been helpful. So I'm just showing you this, and then you can decide if you want to do this. I use this example or not. Um, but I'm going to end the video here, and thank you for watching.